Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data without a SIM card. Your first and most straightforward option is to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Most places you visit, like cafes, hotels, or even public spaces, offer free and fast internet access. Simply open your phone settings, locate the Wi-Fi option, and choose a secure network to join. This method ensures you stay connected effortlessly. Another excellent solution is utilizing eSIM technology, which is becoming increasingly common in newer devices. An eSIM is a digital SIM embedded directly into your phone, letting you activate a mobile data plan without a physical card. You can download and switch between multiple local or international data plans directly from your phone settings. This offers incredible flexibility, especially when traveling across different regions. Consider investing in a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, also known as a MiFi device, for reliable data on the go. These small gadgets connect to a cellular network and then broadcast a private Wi-Fi signal, enabling up to 10 devices to connect simultaneously. Alternatively, many cities offer public Wi-Fi zones. Just remember to use a virtual private network, or VPN, for secure browsing on open networks. Finally, prepare for moments without connectivity by downloading content for offline use. Before leaving home, download your favorite movies, music, or podcasts directly onto your device. Many map applications also let you download entire regions, providing turn-by-turn navigation even without data. This proactive approach ensures you always have access to entertainment and critical information, no matter where you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.